flawless glow. Stepping out fresh, she don't need a crown. Glow on her face, yeah, she run this town. Blend it, set it, baby, that's finesse. Hair laid, outfit blessed, nothing less. Highlight shine.
Hey bosses, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tokslaboss. Today I'm doing what's in my Shein bag. Bosses, I received so many goodies from Shein and I can't wait to open them and share it with you. So if today's your first time literally seeing this face, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Without further ado, let's hop right into what's in my Shein bag.
One life to live, but that's when me I go hard. Tomorrow no promise, so me not on me heart. And live without limit. Man in it, doing it. Live without limit. Yeah.
So yeah, the first item that I got from Shein is this pretty little earring, and it looks exactly like the picture. So cute, y'all. For all my girlies out there that's searching for that cute looking earring, I say get this. Oh my gosh, I want to wear it right now. It's super cute. To head over to Shein, I have a discount code that I'm gonna leave in the description below. Oh yeah, it's really a cute earring. So let's see what's in this bag because I have no clue. Oh, it looks flirty. So it's made out of like a mesh kind of fabric. It has like a cute opening right in the front here. I think that's cute. Look at the ruffles. This is super cute. Super. What size did I get it in? The size that I get it in was a large, perfect size in. What I mostly love about it is the ruffle that they have down below. I think that's super cute. Bosses, what's in my Shein bag? Let's see. Oh, this is seriously cute, bosses. Has a little bit of ruffle detail in the front. The neckline is like a turtleneck kind of thing going on. It is a colder weather right now, so you definitely want to reconsider when you're dressing up now, okay? And it has a nice little split. Guys, it's actually a large as well. Perfect. So that means it's gonna fit me really nicely. Okay, moving on with the next item. Okay, what's in my Shein bag? What's this? Oh, it's this brown dress. You know what I really love about the brown dress is the detail. The detail at the waistline. Oh my gosh. When I saw this dress online, I felt head over heels for it. I thought it was super cute. Just look at this. Oh, it's like a one arm in, one arm out kind of deal. I really love it. This dress actually can be worn to church. All you got to do is add a t-shirt underneath it, and you could just let the t-shirt arm come out, and then you can wear it. This is really a cute look. Absolutely love it. Can't wait to wear this dress with my nice boots, and I'm ready to go. I love the whole details of it. That's why I ended up getting it. This dress, I actually got it in a, not medium, I got this dress in a large because I was like, yeah, I want it to be firm fitting, and if I'm adding anything to it so it don't look too tight and snugged on me, okay? So definitely think about getting this dress. I absolutely love it. Okay, what's in my Shein bag? Oh wow, so this is a two-piece. So first and foremost, it comes with a skirt that has a pants under it. I don't know if you guys can see, but this skirt is kind of like see-through. It's really cute, right? I really like that. And then also comes with like a blazer. Comes with a blazer. That's cute. Got this item in a large. Have a little skirt under, like a little shorts, because you can't wear that like that. No. So give you like a belt to wear it with, but I doubt I'll be wearing this belt with it. Most likely I'll probably get another belt that I can wear with it to make it stand out more, make it more fashionable. Okay, bosses? Yeah, moving on. Love that piece. Love this outfit. It's really cute. I can definitely see myself rocking it to dinner with my nice little heels. We're good to go. My Shein bag. Oh wow, guys, look, a cheetah or leopard belt, if I'm not mistaken. This is super cute. Oh my gosh, love the detail in this belt. The gold, everything looks so dope.com. The belt is like definitely a quality, boss babe. So you can definitely rock this belt. This is how the back looks. I got this belt in a, I think it's a one size fits all because it kind of stretches, okay? So I can definitely rock it with the blazer look that I'm going for. I think that would be a cute look to wear the two-piece with. The next item that I got is this earring. Oh my god. So I had to get, I got this cross. Super cute. I don't know if you boss baby can see it, but it's got, I was in a rush one day. I was like going out when I received my item. I looked to the Shein bag and I took out the purse. So this purse is actually this purse right here. I thought this purse was super, super cute. I believe I wore it like the first year of New Year's, like January 1st. And I went to church. So I needed like something silver to wear with my outfit. And that purse really made the outfit stand out and looked so cute. So yeah, definitely get that purse. Definitely great quality on that. But yeah, bosses, that's all for today of what's in my Shein bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave the video a thumbs up. Thank you, bosses, so much. God bless. See you, boss babe, in my next one. Thank you, bosses, so much. Bye bye.
Hair fashion pure royalty.